So now let's do what's on the image that you see on the screen. We're going to create this illusion by drawing a line towards the center, and from that point you're going to go to another point within that shape that you see there, and you're basically going to connect the end of that line to 2 points, just like that. Then you're going to grab your color pencil and you're going to go ahead and color it. You're going to color 3 different types of shades. The first one you see me color it in here is a dark shade, and you will go ahead and just fill it as best as possible, just like that. The next shade that you will choose, it can be either a light shade or a medium shade. So here I actually get to choose to do a medium shade, just like this. Now the next one, of course, is going to be the light shade as such. So one thing I want to remind you is very important. 2 shades should not be ever together. Make sure that all shades are all separate as such. Bye bye.